Building on the success of our award-winning tankless electric water heaters, EcoSmart is proud to introduce our new line of condensing tankless gas water heaters. These units are packed with business-building features that both plumbers and homeowners will love. This industry-leading energy-efficient design provides the comfort and convenience of continuous hot water while enabling up to $1,100 in lifetime energy savings. And EcoSmart's exclusive water-saving setting helps save up to 1,100 gallons of water per year. EcoSmart tankless units are compatible with half-inch gas lines used for traditional water heaters, making replacement easy. They come with a factory-installed condensate neutralizer, saving time, materials, and installation costs. Here's a look at how the EcoSmart condensing tankless water heater works. When a homeowner turns on a hot water tap, cold water enters the water heater. The flow sensor inside of the water control valve activates the gas burner, which puts the heat exchanger in a ready state. The incoming cold water first passes through the secondary stainless steel heat exchanger at the top of the unit. Then, the preheated water circulates through the primary copper heat exchanger below and is rapidly heated to temperature. During this process, condensate is produced within the tankless unit. In this model, condensate is directed to a neutralization chamber that eliminates acidity, so it can be disposed of in any common household drain. The heated water is then balanced by the computer-controlled water bypass valve, so that the hot water exiting the unit is within 2 degrees of the set temperature. This process allows for maximum efficiency, saving energy costs. Combustion gases exit safely through a dedicated sealed vent system. In high-efficiency condensing designs like the one found on this EcoSmart water heater, more of the heat is extracted from the unit's exhaust gases, which means you can use PVC venting, ultimately simplifying the installation process while saving considerable costs in venting, components, and installation. With all they offer, you'll love EcoSmart's tankless water heaters. They install easily, are compatible with existing gas lines, and lower energy costs. EcoSmart's condensing tankless water heaters. Save money, save space, save energy.